Okay, so I wanted to show you, just in case you need to unplug the car before it has a full charge, it won't automatically unplug. So you have to release the, I think they call it the safety latch. So the way to do that is to come in here and open the hood, right? That's right there inside the driver's side door. And then there's a little latch. Sorry, I can't do that. And there's a latch just there under the hood that you need to pull up with your fingers. And then there's an access hole just above the plug. Let's see if you can see it. There we go, right here. And there, if you put your finger in there, there's a red loop. You have to pull that up, and that will release the plug if it has not got a full charge. So it's not something you have to do every time, but just in case you plug it in and then you decide you wanted to use it and it didn't have the full charge yet, that is the way to do that. Okay, that's it.